Good afternoon, students. So students, as we have discussed in the last class, so we have started the question answer, discussing the question answers given in the textbook at the back of the lesson. So already we have completed the lesson and we have started discussing the question answers. So how much question answers we have discussed? We have discussed the first one, choose the right words from the words given below and complete the following sentence. We have completed. And one more thing, so pick and write the words from the lesson that means the same as the underlined words in the sentences given below also we have completed. So now what we have to do? So now we have to move towards the next activity, next question answer. So that is third one. So what is the third one? Match the flowers with their names and by drawing a line against each. See here, A and B columns. So third activity is the third activity. Match the flowers. Match the flowers with their names by drawing a line against each. This is our given question. So students, what we have to do? We have to move. So we have to move. So some flowers, name of the flowers are given and some name of the pictures of flowers are given here. They have given A and B columns. In A column they have given the pictures of some flowers. How many flowers pictures? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pictures they have given. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again. How many? 6 they have given. The bracket box, in the box 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 boxes they have given. Here they have given the pictures of the flowers. So here in the B column, they have given the names of the flowers. So what they have given? They have given the names of the flowers. Okay. So let me write the names. First one, what they have given? Sunflowers. So spelling of sunflower is sunflower. Sunflower. Next. The next word is cherry chrysanthemum. So next name of the flower is, they have given cherry chrysanthemum. So which one? Cherry chrysanthemum. Cherry chrysanthemum. And next, rose. So next word, next flower name they have given as rose. So next one, fourth one is tuberose. So tuberose is different, rose is different. I will give you the meaning of these flowers. And next, jasmine. So next one is jasmine. 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 Okay. The last one, hibiscus. So last one is hibiscus. 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 So these 6 names of the flowers they have given to us. So what we have to do? We have to match. See here, I have not drawn the pictures, but so I will show you the pictures. So what we have to do? So the names of the flowers and the pictures they have given, we have to match. What we have to do? We have to match. We have to match the words, names, pictures with their correct names. Okay? See, I will show you the pictures. Wait a second, I will show you, students. Yes, here you can see the pictures. Can you see? Yes, here you can see the pictures and names of the flowers. Yes, so first picture, see here students, here you can see the names of the pictures of the flowers and names of the flowers. So first one, so what we have to do, we have to just match the words with the correct picture. Yes, first one is, so which flower it is? Do you think which flower it is? The first one. So first one is of, yes, it is a rose. So first one is rose. So what we have to do? We have to draw a line. So what we have to do? We have to draw a line like, see. Yes, to the rose. So first one is rose. We have to draw the line to the rose. So second picture, which flower it is? Yes, so it is sunflower. So where is the word sunflower in the B column? Yes, first one. So first one is the sunflower. Can you? So first one is sunflower. So for that we have to match the word with the picture of the flower. Yes. So third picture. Just see the third picture. Which picture it is? Third picture is, which picture it is? Students, which picture it is? Yes, jasmine. So jasmine in the sense Mallige Huva. Yes. So where is jasmine? Yes, here. Where is jasmine here? Yes, here we have to match the picture with the word. So next picture. So which flower it is? Do you know? Yes, you are right. It is hibiscus. Hibiscus in the sense Dhashwala. So where is the word hibiscus? Can you see? Yes. Hibiscus. Okay. Then which flower it is? Students, it is tuberose. So tuberose in the sense Sugandha Raja. So tuberose. Where is the tuberose? Tuberose. Yes. We have matched the picture with the correct word. Yes. The last one is. Last picture is cherry chrysanthemum. So cherry chrysanthemum is here. So what is the cherry chrysanthemum? The meaning of cherry chrysanthemum is ಸೇವಂತಿಗೆ. So ಸೇವಂತಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಸೇವಂತಿಗೆ ಹೂವಕ್ಕೆ cherry chrysanthemum. Okay? Have you got? Yes. Yes. Okay students. Okay Appu. Yes. So now what we will do? I will once again match these words. See, first one is given. The first given picture of the flower is rose. So to the rose we have to match. Okay. So next, which picture? Yes. So next is sunflower. Yes, very good. Next. Next we have to move towards the next activity, fourth one. So fourth activity, what they have given, see here. Here also they have given some pictures. See, they have given some pictures. And the names also they have given. Names of the creature, insects. So hulagalu, insects andre ಕ್ರೀಟಗಳು ಅಂತೀವಿ. So insects name they have given. So what we have to do with these names and these pictures? So it is a question. See what they have given. Circle the right picture. Yes. So the name of a insect they have given. Here they have given 3 insects. So what we have to do? We have to circle. We have to circle the given insect. So first I will write here fourth activity. Circle the right picture. Circle the right picture. So first one, what they have given? Mosquito. Yes, all of we are aware of mosquitoes. Why? Because mosquitoes eat us every day. Yes, we know, we have seen the mosquitoes. So now it is not difficult for us to identify the mosquitoes from these 3 pictures. Yes, first I will write it here. Mosquito. Here 3 pictures they have given. What we have to do? We have to circle. Okay. So second one, butterfly. Yes, we have seen butterflies also. Here they have given 3 pictures again. So we have to identify the butterfly and we have to circle that. Okay, next, cockroach. Yes, we are very familiar with these cockroaches. Why? Because in each and every home we have, so in our home we have seen the cockroaches. So cockroaches are nodididalla. So we have to identify the cockroach and we have to make the round. We have to circle that cockroach. So next, dragonfly. Yes, in the rainy season we can see these dragonflies. Okay. So here we have to identify the dragonfly and we have to circle it. Last one is honeybee. Honeybee. Yes. So here the given words, the given insects we have to identify and we have to circle. Okay. So I will show you the picture. Yes, students, see here. You can see the pictures. You can see the pictures here. So what we are first given insect. So mosquito. So where is mosquito in this picture? Where you can see the mosquito? Yes. So mosquito. We can see the mosquito here. So this second picture is of mosquito. So mosquito. So what we have to do? We have to circle. So which one is the correct? The second picture. See what we have to do? So we have to circle. We have to circle. See here I have done. So how I have done? Like that you have to circle it. Okay? See, I have circled. Okay, next picture. So what they have given? Butterfly. So where is the butterfly in these 3 pictures? Where is the butterfly? Yes. Yes, first one is the butterfly. So what we have to do? We have to circle like this. Okay? So circle it with the pencil. Okay, so next, cockroach. So can you just tell me where is the cockroach in this third picture? Among these 3 pictures? Yes, the middle one is the cockroach. Yes, we have identified. And what we have to do? We have to circle. Yes, we have circled. And then fourth. Fourth I have not written. So fourth one is house fly. So where is the house fly? House fly. Where is the house fly? No, no. House fly in the sense. So the third picture. Yes, the third picture here. See. Yes. Yes. So we have to circle it. Yes. So next, dragonfly. So in the in the rainy season we can see this dragonfly. See, the third picture is the dragonfly. Which is the dragonfly? Third picture is the dragonfly. So we have to circle it. Yes. So next, honeybee. So where you can see the honeybee? Yes, the third picture itself, honeybee. So the third picture itself is honeybee. So what we have to do? We have to circle. Yes, like this. Okay. So this is what we had to do. So now what we had done? We have circled the given insects. We have written, see here on the board I have written the names of the insects. So here I will make the rounds. So in your textbook you have to round it with the circle. Sorry, with the pencil. So mosquito, the picture, second picture is of mosquito. Okay, you have to make a circle. So next one is butterfly. The first picture is given of butterfly. You have to circle. And cockroach. The third picture is, second picture is cockroach. Third, so fourth one is house fly. So house fly, this is third picture is of house fly. And then dragonfly. So third picture is dragonfly and honeybee. So the third picture is honeybee. So like this you have to circle, make the circles. Okay. Yes. Okay, so now in this class we came to know about we matched the words with the flowers, pictures of the flowers, and we identify the insects. Okay, so here what we will do, we will stop the class here. Today's class we will stop here. In next class I will continue with the next part of your question answers. Okay, you take it down.